Hello students, this video is in continuation with my previous video on effective personality, where I explained to you how you can express or introduce yourself in front of others. And in this video, we will work on the confidence or how we can improve our confidence. Students, confidence reflects character, attitude and passion. You should be confident about who you are and whatever you do. Means you have to accept yourself positively. Being confident will help you to express yourself and stand among the crowd. Students, confidence is the first step towards success. And there are several situations in life that makes a person lose out on their self-esteem and thereby affect their confidence. However, no matter how extreme the problems are, one should maintain their sanity and positivity and confidence level and try confidence boosting exercises. Students, there are many ways to boost your confidence. So let's talk about ways to boost confidence. And first one is wear a carefree attitude. Means here you need not to worry what people think about you and what people say. Students, you need to keep in mind that everyone have some positive and negative points and nobody is perfect in this world. So you need to accept yourself as you are. A straight posture with a bright smile are important tool to get started even if you are not that strong from within. Pretend to be strong. Be helpful but not give up easily. Be loving but never be submissive. Make sure you wear the most confident and carefree self always. Take risk and correct people when you feel they are wrong. Look in the eyes while you talk and nod as you listen. Show that you don't or do not care what the world think about you. Lastly, accept criticism gracefully and don't let it pull you down. While accepting criticism, you need to work on your weakness and try to convert your weakness into your strength. For that, students, you need to stand before the mirror every morning and take notice of all the good things about you. You need to dress well and make sure that you are at most presentable and comfortable zone every day. Encourage compliments but always express your gratitude with confidence. Let your ideal answer to a compliment be as simple as thank you, I know. Students indulge in a lot of self-talk but without sounding like you are bragging. Stop disliking everything about you. Instead, boost yourself with a lot of positive energy every day by praising yourself. Like you are the most beautiful person in this world. You are most confident, most disciplined and most positive person in the world. Student, these exercises will definitely help to boost your confidence. Next is to list down your strength. You might have more failures than successes in your past. Everyone does have like that, but weigh your high notes more than the downfalls. List down your strength and always go back to them whenever you are feeling low. Include both professional and personal achievements of yours life and need to recall them after few days. You might have lost track of them over the years, but just a glance at your achievements will make you realize how fabulous person you are. Students, listing your strength and feeling high or positive will definitely work to boost your confidence. Next is to choose your company. This is most important step to boost your strength or boost your confidence. Students, a great deal of your confidence boosting exercise depend on the people around you. Make sure you always have good company who not only understand you but are always there to cheer up you when you feel low. Be it friends, family, or colleagues, you must have a bunch of positive people around you. They have an immense power of boosting your confidence, since they are the ones who appreciate and cherish these qualities within you. So, students, your company means a lot, and you need to choose your company very carefully. Next is indulge in some me time. Students, here you need to spend some time on your hobbies because it will give you pleasure and boost your confidence. If not every day, one should spend some me time at least 4 to 5 times a week. Spending some time alone will help you understand and develop several abilities. In fact, it works wonders in times of crisis since it helps you come out of the box solution. Doing things that you are passionate about work positively to build your confidence. Anything like pampering yourself at a spa or salon, reading or just sitting by yourself and smiling can go a long way in making you a positive person. So, students, these are some ways which will definitely work to boost on your confidence. I hope you will practice these and boost your confidence. Because again, I will say that confidence is the first step towards success. So, students, I hope you get my point. Thank you for listening.